OnePlus just killed the budget earbud game and nobody is talking about it yet. Like, share and subscribe for daily tech updates. The Nord Buds 4 are officially coming to India and OnePlus already showed us what they look like. STEM style design, silicon ear tips, and a brand new rectangular charging case that is a complete departure from the older oval shape. Small detail, but it signals that OnePlus is taking this lineup more seriously. Now this sits below the Nord Buds 4 Pro, which launched earlier this year with active noise cancellation and 54 hours of total battery. So the Nord Buds 4 will cost less, and some premium features like advanced noise cancellation may not make the cut. But here's what matters. OnePlus has a strong track record of delivering punchy sound and solid build quality even at lower prices. Price, battery life, and codec support are still unconfirmed, and those three things will decide whether this is the best budget earbud deal of 2025 or just another forgettable launch. The reveal is coming soon, and the moment those specs drop, you will want to know immediately. So if you are not subscribed yet, do it now because this story is not over.